Welcome to our video on how to manage a kitchen renovation. Whether you're looking to update your outdated kitchen or create a more functional space, renovating your kitchen can be a rewarding project. However, it can also be stressful if you're not prepared. That's why we're here to share our tips and tricks for managing a kitchen renovation from start to finish. Let's get started. Section 1. Setting a realistic budget. The first step in managing a kitchen renovation is setting a realistic budget. Consider how much money you can afford to spend on the renovation and what you want to achieve with the project. Be sure to factor in all of the costs associated with the renovation, including materials, labor, permits, and any unexpected expenses that may arise. We'll share some tips on how to stay within your budget throughout the renovation process. Section 2. Hiring the right contractors. Hiring the right contractors is crucial to the success of your kitchen renovation. Do your research and ask for referrals from friends and family. Interview potential contractors and ask for references and examples of their past work. Make sure they are licensed and insured. Once you find the right contractor, be sure to get a written contract that outlines the scope of the project, the timeline, and the payment schedule. Section 3. Making informed design decisions. Design decisions are an important part of managing a kitchen renovation. Consider the style and functionality of your space and make decisions about finishes, fixtures, and other design elements. Keep in mind that your design choices will impact the overall cost of the renovation, so be sure to factor these costs into your budget. We'll share some design tips to help you create a beautiful and functional kitchen. Section 4. Staying organized and communicative. Throughout the renovation process, it's important to stay organized and communicate effectively with your contractors. Keep a detailed project plan that outlines the timeline, milestones, and budget. Make sure that everyone involved in the project is aware of the plan and is working toward the same goals. Be prepared to make adjustments to the plan if necessary, and be open to feedback from your contractors. We'll share some tips on how to stay organized and communicate effectively throughout the renovation process. That's it for our tips and tricks on how to manage a kitchen renovation. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're feeling more confident about tackling your own renovation project. Remember to set a realistic budget, hire the right contractors, make informed design decisions, and stay organized and communicative throughout the process. Thanks for watching.